Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to create a paper fold-out effect in CapCut PC. Start by importing the graphic or image you want to apply the effect to. Then drag and drop it into the timeline. Duplicate and paste a copy behind the original clip. Next, go to the transitions, search for paper ball. Drag and drop the paper ball transition between the two clips. You might see a warning about creating duplicate frames. Click OK. Adjust the transition duration as needed on the right side. Click the first clip, go to Video Basics, click Blend, and adjust the opacity of the first clip to 0. Select all elements, right-click, and create a compound clip. Move the playhead to the black screen part and delete as needed. You can also add a green screen background for future projects. That's it! If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thanks for watching.